Hopefully I'm getting the video good. I don't know. We'll see. Just gotta step on their wings. Just like so. Pull steady. Nice and slow. Should show up like that. Once it's like that, you put your thumb here, pull like that, separates the fan, all the guts, chuck them. Then you should be left with just the wings. All you gotta do, hold on tight, give it a couple twists, boom, boom. Pluck off a couple excess feathers, and you got yourself a nice clean partridge breast. Do the other ones real quick. Now, it don't always work perfect. Sometimes they got broken legs. Like this one has a broken leg, so if it doesn't work, we'll see if like this one doesn't fully work. I don't think it will. No, it kind of did. Still worked. All right. Yeah, you can always have to grab the head if it doesn't work and pull everything out. Toss that. Couple feathers, break that off. Wings already broken on that one. Snap. Pluck off the couple last remaining feathers. Then you can just take a fillet knife and breast off each half when you're ready to eat them. Last but not least, they're all pretty much eating apples. You can see in their crops. A quick little twist, pop. So this wing's already broken. Poof. And there we go. 3 clean partridge breasts. Ta-da.